guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out your guys' favorite Amazon products. If you guys know me, I'm obsessed with Amazon. I swear every vlog has some sort of Amazon haul in it. And I really wanted to try out your guys' favorite products because I love finding new products and sharing them with you guys. There's going to be 3 of these videos because I bought so much stuff. Stay tuned, subscribe if you want to keep watching these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Head over there, that's fun. Thank you guys so much for sending me your favorite products. And if you guys want me to do more of these videos after the 3, I can do them, so make sure to follow me on Instagram because that's where I asked for your guys' favorite product. But let's get into the video. What I have here are these Hollywood mirror lights. Basically what they do is they mimic the Hollywood mirror, so it's basically just like the light bulb. I don't know, you just attach it to your mirror. $21.99, which honestly I was like, this is like such a good deal, like $20 for this. If it turns it into a vanity mirror, I'm down for it. Then I remembered, need to buy light bulb. These are from Target. You need 10 light bulbs, so this was $20. These were the cheapest ones I could find, so altogether it was pretty much $40, which is not as good of a deal as I thought. Let's open her up. Oh, they come with the light bulb, so I can return these. That makes me a lot more excited about this than I originally was, because I was like, this is such a ripoff. If I needed to spend $40, I might as well buy a mirror. This is how it comes. It looks pretty self-explanatory. They all have little stickers on the back that you just stick to the mirror. I kind of want to play Grey's Anatomy while I do this, but I feel like that's unprofessional. Bulbs are like plastic, so they're not going to break, which I think is great. Very sturdy stickers, hard to get off. If you're gonna do this, make sure you plan it out beforehand. I did not. I definitely think this is for like a rectangular mirror. Plugged in. Oh, it lit up. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. And then can make it like brighter as far as it goes. Oh, this is so cool. It looks ugly. This does not look cute. We're gonna hide the cords. I might even tape them to the back. That might be smart. Just finished it. I think it looks really good. One thing that I do notice is that they're really warm, but you can touch them. Like, they're not hot here. One thing that I think would be really annoying is how you turn it on. I don't know if you guys can see on my desk, I have this hole. This is like the IKEA Mickey desk, and there's a hole to put your cord. I put the cord through here, and you can see how I kind of bunch up the cord so I could easily turn it on. If I didn't have that hole, I would have to literally go under my desk every single day to turn it on, which I think would just be really annoying. What I'm planning on doing is I'm going to use it for a week or 2 and see how I like it, if I feel like it helps me apply my makeup better. I've been using this light for a few weeks now. It's been almost a month maybe. I will say I really do like it. I think it's a really cool thing, and for its price I think it's amazing. Sometimes you have to press the on and off button a few times to get it to turn on, but that's not also a big deal. One thing though, I have developed such an irrational fear with this. I place these bulbs low enough that if I remove this tape right here, it will touch my desk, and I have this irrational fear that I will accidentally leave them on and it'll touch my desk and then it'll catch on fire and then I'll burn my entire apartment down, and that could kill so many people. Think how much liability that is. Oh my gosh, that's where we're at with that. I especially love it for my skincare routine at night when there's not a ton of light in here. Overall, if you guys want to get this, I say do it. This might be the one that I am most excited to try out, and it is a flash drive for your phone. The one that I got has 256 gigabytes. Honestly, this is a really good price, less than $20. I got this because I obviously do YouTube and I'll take photos on my phone and I'll need to transfer them to my laptop or vice versa. Sometimes AirDrop doesn't work, sometimes texting doesn't work if you don't have Wi-Fi or internet. I thought this would be a really great way of just like transferring photos back and forth. This is what it looks like. You have a little charging port, and then it's like you can just move this, and then there's the USB. Kind of fun to play with. Oh my gosh. You can also use this for Android. The USB part, you just kind of move it up and down, and then that's your little Android. And then if you want to go back, you just... Okay, so it's not going all the way in, so I'm probably gonna take my case off. I've literally never like held my phone without the case on. Okay, it's blinking. Why does would like to communicate with iOS device flash drive? Allow. It's having me download an app. The app is called Disk. This is what is showing up, so it says my. So these are all my photos, videos, music, documents. And let's go to File Explorer. Okay, now it's frozen. Okay. What I'm getting at from this is basically a backup for your phone. I have never backed up my phone ever. I have the 200 something gigabytes, almost 300, and I don't have enough storage on my computer to back it up. I don't want to pay for the iCloud storage. I've really been living life on the edge. So much cooler than I thought it would be. It looks like you can back up your contacts and your photos. I'm gonna try backing up my contacts. This is really fast. I have like 10 million thousand photos. I don't think it'll be as fast as this. This is kind of cool. This is so much cooler than I thought it would be. Contacts back, that was really fast. I have almost 40,000 photos. This is gonna take a while. I feel like I have a lot of questions and I'm gonna figure them all out, and then I will get back to you. I'm not kidding when I say I have never hated anything more in my life than this guy. I was so excited about it, and it basically wasted like 2 weeks of my life, and I hate it so much. I'm gonna show you guys what it does and why I absolutely hate it. But basically what happened was I was like, okay, so this is taking too long to transfer all my photos at once, so I decided to do the little select button where you can just select photos to transfer over, copy to USB, and then it just stops. It will start doing it, and then it will just stop. And basically what happens, these are not real dates. I have 2.4 gigabytes of photos. I used to have 11. Every time I try to transfer something over, it deletes something else, and I did a bunch of things. I deleted the app. I really tried, and I was really frustrated, and I was like, you know what, I love the idea of this. Let's go on Amazon and try to find a better one. Most of them use this app called Ydisk. Ydisk is the app that you use for this. Ydisk has horrible reviews. Horrible. I tried to find something that used another app, and I was like, okay, cool. And they also had horrible reviews. And then I found one, SanDisk, that their app had great reviews, and I was like, okay, cool. This one's more expensive, but I'll buy it. And then I looked at the more recent reviews, and within the past year, the reviews were also horrible. Basically, I absolutely hate this thing. I don't even think that would work for transferring like one photo over to transfer to your computer. I want to like throw this at a wall because I just wasted so much of my time. This thing I would say pass. The next thing we are trying out today is this guy. I am so excited to try this. This is by the brand Color Corral. It's a cleaning gel universal dust cleaner for PC keyboards. I've seen a lot of these videos and things like that on TikTok. I've been so excited to open this up. Oh, it's coming apart already. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh gosh. Essentially, it's just like a sticky material dust sticks to. Part of me wants to like break it into little parts so I don't have to like waste the whole thing. Kind of wet. Do you see it? Low key, kind of cool. First place we're gonna try this is my laptop. As you can see, there's a lot of dust on it, and then the number one thing that I really wanted to try this on is in here. I know this is disgusting, please don't judge me. I don't know if I'm supposed to be dabbing it. That's what I'm doing. It's working. What if I just roll it? Rolling also works, but I feel like the dabbing low-key this is just the weirdest thing. I never thought I'd be doing this. So this is not as smooth as I thought, but it's not leaving behind like a sticky residue. What if I just go like this? Oh no, now that is leaving behind a sticky residue, so don't do that. Now there's sticky crumbs everywhere, I feel like. What if I use this to pick it up? That's smart. Dabbing seems like it is the best. I feel like it's not. Oh my god, it is. Here's what the keyboard looks like after. There's still like, you know, some dust particles, but it doesn't feel like sticky or like wet at all. It's honestly not even dirty. I thought that there would just be like dust everywhere. I also wanted to try this in the car as well because a lot of people said it's really well for the car. It's been better. Roll it around and see if it picks up anything. You can see a little bit of the dirt that it got. There's still some stuff left over, like it's not 100% clean. Overall, I think this is a really cool product. I think that it works well, and I like how they give you a lot of product in here. Oh, no they don't. I think this is really cool. Definitely a big thumbs up from me. This is the next thing we're trying out. I would show you guys the box, but my mom threw it away. A massager for neck and back with heat, blah, 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 blah. It can massage shoulders, foot, leg, body, relieve muscle pain, office, home, and car. I'm always looking for a good massager. I didn't mean it like that. I think one thing already that's a con is you have to plug it in. Like, it's not a rechargeable thing. But I guess since you don't have to charge it, it's nice. But you plug into the wall, or it comes with like one of the like cigarette butt things. You can do it in your car, which is nice. I feel like you should not drive with it. That's not good. It looks like this. You want to put your hands through the hole, and that will kind of like add some like tension to it, which is nice because it's not just sitting there, like it's kind of pulling. I'm always like, where is the button? And then I'm like, oh, it's up here. So it has like on. You guys can see the balls. They're red. That means it's heating up. You can go the other direction. This turns the heat off. I don't know if you guys can see now. The balls are not red. This is speeds. I tried this a few times because I wanted to have my full opinion. It's like nice, but it's not gonna fix all your back and neck problems. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it makes it better. Sometimes I feel like it makes it worse. You guys can see I'm doing it on my upper back right now. It's nice because this thing, you can do it on multiple areas. Pictures online where you can like use it on like your calves and your thighs. Something kind of annoying, if you don't have your arms through this, it doesn't do anything. It doesn't press into you enough. You can go on your phone, like you can be like this, you know. See, it's just kind of annoying, honestly. I don't know, like I like it. My mom threw away the box, so I can't return it. Overall, it's just kind of annoying. You can't type at your desk. Also, this thing unplugs all the time. You need to have it plugged. I just honestly, now that I'm thinking about it, it's nice, but no. I just think there's better massagers out there. I hope you guys like this video. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. Let me know if you plan on buying any of these. We have some keepers in here. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!